Hello and welcome again to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. I am Mamta and this is Hindi writing series. You are learning Hindi consonants. I mean Hindi Vyanjan. We have already learned 4 Vyanjan so far. Ka, kha, ga, gha. In this lesson, we will learn new consonant pair cha, 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 cha. As you know, we are learning unaspirated and aspirated consonant pairs. In first group, we have learned first pair ka, kha. Second pair ga, gha. Now we are learning second group. The first consonant pair is cha, cha. In this lesson, we will learn cha, cha. All the consonants or Vyanjan of the second group are pronounced using hard palate, which is the bony region at the top of the mouth shown in the picture with orange dot. So first pair in the group is cha and cha. Speak and observe your tongue is touching that bony region at the top of your mouth. Cha, cha. As usual, first Vyanjan is unaspirated and the second Vyanjan is aspirated. So when we say cha, there is no ha sound. But when we say cha, it is accompanied with ha sound. So speak with me. Cha, cha. Cha, cha. Let us learn first Vyanjan cha in detail. T in Hindi is chai. Chai. As we say in English, A for apple, we say cha se chai. Cha se chai. Pronounce cha as you pronounce ch in chair. English word chair. Cha, chair. When you speak cha, you should feel the tongue is touching the hard palate of the mouth and the air is stopped inside the mouth. So there is no ha sound. Speak with me, cha. For writing cha, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Now second Vyanjan is cha, cha. Umbrella in Hindi is chhata, chhata. As we say in English, A for apple, in Hindi we say cha se chhata. Pronounce cha as you pronounce cha in chair but with ha sound. So cha is not cha, it is cha. For writing, follow the pencil movement and write cha in same manner. Notice that there is a difference between printed cha and written cha. Please observe some Vyanjan like kha and cha are not present in English language. I mean, there are no English words with these sounds. I hope you are able to understand and speak these Vyanjan properly. Focus on your tongue and aspiration while pronouncing these Vyanjan as guided in the video. Slowly, you will get the idea of how Hindi Vyanjan are pronounced. Don't forget to practice writing each pair when you learn here. You learn one pair at a time so that you don't get confused. Thank you so much for showing your interest in writing and pronouncing Hindi consonants with me. If you have any doubts, please do not forget to write a comment and I will try to reply. Please do like and share my videos with your friends and family. We'll continue to learn more Hindi Vyanjan. Till then, Dhanyawad, Namaste.